Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing the Paula's Choice Omega Complex Cleansing Balm and their Omega Complex Moisturiser. Basically, I received these two as PR and I thought it would be nice to, let you guys know what I honestly think about it. When I mean honestly think about it. Yes, I know it's PR, I didn't buy it, but I like to be very honest here on my channel. To be honest, I've only used the Paula's Choice BHA peeling solution and that's my holy grail when it comes to salicylic acid exfoliant. I absolutely love it. If you haven't seen that video yet, do check it out. I'll put the link somewhere here for you to check out. I got this product maybe about 2 weeks ago and I jumped onto them straight up, and it just came at the right time because this is winter time. The weather is quite harsh, as we know, and I decided to switch from using foaming cleansers and products that are a bit stripping to products that are nourishing. This is basically the Omega Complex Cleansing Balm. It's suitable for all skin types, but is most especially for people with very dry skin, rosacea. So I'm just going to tell you my honest opinion because I have been using it for quite a while, and I usually use it at night time because when it comes to melting makeup off and taking makeup and SPF and all whatnot, and it says that it melts away makeup, sunscreen, impurities, and it rinses cleanly for soft hydrated skin. I'm going to be honest, some cleansing balms are I find them quite greasy, but this one I didn't find greasy at all. It's more like a cream, but let me show you guys what it looks like. I'm just going to put out little. So this is just what it looks like, and of course it melts into the palm, or it melts when you massage it on your palm and you apply it on your face. And what it does is that it melts off impurities, and then when you add some water in it, it turns very milky and it's even very creamy, and I find out that it further takes dirt out. And to my greater surprise, when I rinse off my face after using it, my face actually feels very clean, because most cleansing balms, after using it, I find out that what I do is that I have to still use a regular cleanser just to make sure that I wash everything off entirely, I get my face thoroughly clean. So basically, cleansing balms, sometimes I use them to double cleanse, but with this one I find out that I use it straight up as a regular cleanser, especially now that it's the winter time. So it's coming really handy. I am very impressed. Out of most of my cleansing balms, I always reach for it because it is very nice. I'm not surprised at all. It's Paula's Choice. For this cleansing balm, I am not disappointed one bit. And so here I have the Omega Complex Moisturizer, and this is rich in chia seeds and flax seed. And I mean, omegas are great. Then this is also rich in antioxidants, which help skin protection, and also ceramides that help in locking moisture into the skin. So this is amazing for people with very dry skin, dull skin, dehydrated skin. And this is a night cream, and night moisturizers are great because they're usually super rich and they help to replenish moisture and protect the skin barrier. But you can use it twice a day. I mean, if your skin is very dull or very dry or dehydrated, especially during this winter times, I would say you can use it 2 times a day, and the otherwise is just for PM because it's super rich. And I'm going to be very honest with you, I think I've used this once or twice. I love it, it's amazing, but I'm just saving it because I'm saving it for the period that my skin barrier is going to be quite messed up. Then I will use it when my skin becomes suddenly very dry or very flaky. That's when I'll use it. But at the moment my skin is okay and I have other moisturizers that I'm using, so that's why I'm not really reaching for it. I'm going to be very honest with you guys, I am loving the 2 products. So if it's something you're considering getting, absolutely go for it. It is worth it, and I think this period there's some form of discount. Otherwise, if you are not quite sure, you can get the travel size, because I just realized they have the travel size. I'm going to put the links basically in the description box below, so if you're interested in trying it out, so I'll be sure to put the travel size link and then the full size link. If you want to, you can give it a shot. There's no harm in trying. With all that being said, I'm going to have to end this video here. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any questions or suggestions, be free to drop them in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.